Namaskar, this is Ranjit Kumar, Head Strategic Sales from CourtKachari.com. CourtKachari.com is one of the leading digital legal platforms in India. We have been recognized by the Silicon India Startup City as one of the best 10 best legal startups in legal services in India. Our website is much superior and different compared to all other legal websites offering such a judgment module. Let me explain some of the salient features of CourtKachari.com. Ladies and gentlemen, our search judgment module is based on Elasticsearch technology and is one of the most accurate and fastest in the country. You can search over 10 lakh of the judgments from the Honorable Supreme Court of India, all the High Courts of India, tribunals, commissions, Consumer Redressal Forum, and all the current judgments are updated on daily basis in our CourtKachari.com. You have the flexibility to refer to judgment in 6 languages such as English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. The accuracy features allows you to refer through the acts without having to go to a different page. You can browse over 14,000 of central and state acts in CourtKachari.com. A search can be further refined indefinitely, allowing you to keep narrowing your search and get the most desired results. Judgments, download, email, bookmarks, save your search and many such functionalities are present in CourtKachari.com. You can browse and download from our repository of many legal formats, legal notices and court petitions. The website enables you drafting all types of civil and criminal petitions, applications, SLPS to be filed before all the district courts of India, all the high courts of India, Honorable Supreme Court of India and before all forums including NCLT, NGT, National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, NCDRC, etc. You can avail our platform to connect with end users, create your profile so that users can engage you directly through our search lawyer module. You can use our discussion forums to seek directional advice, exchange views on topics, help others or simply connect. So discuss while you can. CourtKachari.com is subscribed by leading law firms and practicing advocates including big law firms like Titus Law Firm and Perisia Law Chamber. Now our prices versus prices offered by our competitors in India. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 plans in CourtKachari.com. In plan 1, you can subscribe to the judgment of Supreme Court of India. To subscribe the plan 1 of CourtKachari.com, you need to pay 2,000 annually. In plan 2, you can subscribe to the judgment of Supreme Court of India plus any one high court of your choice. Here we have one competitor, and in CourtKachari.com you have to pay 4,000 per annum to subscribe to the judgment of Supreme Court of India plus any one High Court of India, whereas you will have to pay well over 8,000 per annum to the same plan of our competitor. In plan 3, you can subscribe to the judgment of Supreme Court of India plus all the High Courts of India. In CourtKachari.com, you need to pay 5,000 per annum to subscribe to the judgment of Supreme Court of India plus all the High Courts of India, whereas you will have to pay well over 18,000 per annum to our competitor for the same plan. In plan 4, which is the largest and biggest plan in CourtKachari.com, you can subscribe to the judgment of Supreme Court of India plus all the High Courts of India, all the tribunals and all the commissions. In CourtKachari.com, you have to pay merely 9,000 per annum to subscribe to the judgment of Supreme Court of India, all the High Courts, all the tribunals and all the commissions, whereas you will have to pay well over 26,000 per annum to our competitor to subscribe to the same features as in plan 4. Therefore, we invite you to any annual subscription of CourtKachari.com of your choice. Yes, before you subscribe, please avail our 7 days free trial pack of CourtKachari.com. To register, click www.courtkachari.com or else you can call me at my number 8383098478 for any kind of assistance. Thank you.